Yeah, good morning. So today in this session we'll discuss about first fit, best fit and worst fit. Okay. So if you let us consider an example. So if you consider this example here, the list of jobs and the list of memory requirements is specified. See, job 1 requirement is 90k, job 2 20k, job 3 50k, job 4 200k. So these are the list of jobs and the memory requirements were given. Okay, as well as the free space memory allocation. The free space memory allocation blocks were also given. So block 1 is capable of accommodating 50k, block 2 100k, block 3 90k, block 4 200k, block 5 50k. Like that, different blocks and its memory allocation is given. Okay, suppose if you follow first fit, if you follow the first fit, so here we have written five blocks, and these are the memory allocations. Each block is capable of accommodating various sizes. Okay, block 1 50, 50, 100, 90, 200, 50 we have given. So first fit means what we do is the job 1, see job 1 90k, immediately we will check in the first block. If the required space is available in first block, we will accommodate the required memory or space. If not, immediately in the second. If not, immediately in the third. Okay. So whatever the job requirement is there, immediately we verify in the first available block itself. So job 1 90k, we will check here. No, it is not capable of accommodating. So 100, yes. So job 1 J1, it is 90. Job 1 is fitted here. Coming to second, job 2. Job 2 is only 20k. So the first one is enough. So J2, job 2, we have specified with J2. So here 20. Okay. Next, coming to the next one is job 3. We need 50k. So here it will check here. No, it is, there is no space. There is no space. Yes, here we have available space. So here J3 50. So job 4 is 200. So it is here. So J4, job 4 200. So if you consider here, so the wastage of memory, we simply call it as internal fragmentation. The wastage of memory, we simply call it as internal fragmentation. If we calculate that, so in first block, it is capable of accommodating, 50k, but we have used only 30k. So the remaining 30 is being wasted. So 30 is being wasted in first block. Coming to the second block is capable of accommodating 100k, whereas we have utilized 90k. The remaining 10k is being wasted. So plus 10. So whereas in the third block, it is capable of accommodating 90, but we have used only 50. The remaining 40 is being wasted. Okay. Whereas in the last block, it is capable of accommodating, in the fourth block, it is capable of accommodating 200. We have used 200. So there is no wastage. So if you calculate, totally we will get 80. So 80k is being wasted if you use first fit. Okay. So here this is available. There is no wastage because this fifth block is completely empty. So we can utilize that for some other jobs or for some other process, right? Okay, so if you use the first fit algorithm, okay, the amount of wastage is 80k. Okay, now we will do the same using best fit algorithm. In best fit algorithm, what it will do is, see here in job 1, it requires 90k. So out of the available blocks, what it will do is, it will check where this required space or required memory is closer to the available memory, and that particular block will be allocated to this particular job. That's what happens in best fit. So if you see, job 1 requires 90k. We will see 50k, 100k, 90k. Yes, this is closer to this. So we will write this. So job 1 is fitted here. So here we have allocated 90k. Okay. Next, job 2. Job 2 requires 20k. So out of these, only this 50k is closer to 20k. See, 100 is very far, 200 is so far, 50, 50. So this 20k is closer to 50k. So here we will place J2. Here utilized 20. Job 3, 50. 50 is closer to here. Job 3, 50. Whereas job 4, 200. We have job 4, 200. So if you calculate the amount of memory wasted using best fit. So in the first block, it is capable of accommodating 50k. We have utilized only 20k. So 30k is being wasted. Whereas in the second block, we didn't touch it. So the available memory is 100k and it is not used. So the 100k is available. Okay. Coming to the third block. So we have used 90k is available and we have utilized 90k. So there is no wastage here. So coming to here, the available memory in block 4 is 200k, whereas we have utilized 200k. So no wastage has taken place. Similarly, in the last block, the available memory is 50k and we have used 50k. So there is no wastage of memory. So finally, it is 30k. 30k is being wasted using best fit. Similarly, if we use worst fit, algorithm, so we will see. So in worst fit algorithm, what we will do is, so the required memory for job 1 is 90k. So out of the available blocks, we will identify the highest memory available block. So the highest memory available block is block 4. It is 200. So we will fit this job 1 here. Okay. So we will fit this job 1 here. So if we fit job 1 J1 here, what happens is here only 90k is utilized. Okay. Coming to the next job 2. Job 2 is 20k. The next highest is 100. So we will use J2 20. Next job 3 50. Next highest is 90. So we will use this for job 3. It is 50. The next is job 4. We need 200. So there is no particular block where it can accommodate 200k. So if we use, see here, there is 110 available. Okay. So next, here 80 is available. Here 110. Job 4. 110 is available. Okay. And here job 4. 80 is available. So 110 plus 80, 190. And the remaining here, we will be using job 4. So here we will be using 10. So if you calculate the wastage here, so in first block, so it is capable of accommodating 50, but we have stored only 10. So 40 is being wasted. Okay. Coming to the second one, it is capable of accommodating 100k. We have used 20k for job 2 and we have used 80k for job 4. So there is no wastage here. Coming to here, the total available space is 90 and we have utilized 50 for job 3. The remaining 40 is being wasted. Okay. The remaining 40 is being wasted. Coming to here, block 4, the available space is 200 and we have used 90 for job 1 and 110 for job 4. So here there is no wastage. Coming to last block, we didn't utilize, so this 50 is available. So 40 plus 40, 80. So if you consider out of the total 3 algorithms, first fit, best fit and worst fit. So if you use first fit, so 80k is being wasted. If you follow best fit, 30k is being wasted. For worst fit, 80k is being wasted. So for this algorithm, best fit is best suitable. Okay, right? Hope you have understood. So with this, we will stop this session or this topic. Thank you.